Hi everyone, Cheryl here from Love and Light Yoga, and thank you for joining me for this quick 10-minute morning workout that will gently activate your core muscles. So you don't need anything for this, just yourself and your mat, and whenever you are ready, let's begin. Okay everyone, so let's meet this morning on the back of our mats, take the knees together and walk the fingertips forwards. Let the forehead rest down. The forehead might come all the way to the mat, or maybe we keep it slightly lifted this morning. But just take a few deep breaths here. Inhaling all the way down into the belly. Exhaling to allow the body to relax over those knees. Breathing into your back, into your shoulders. And then on your next inhale, we're going to come forwards, bring the weight of your body onto your hands and drop your hips. Look forwards. As we exhale, wave the spine back, the bum comes back towards the heels. As we inhale, coming back forwards into this very high cobra. So every exhale, we send it back. Every inhale, allow the body to come forwards, drop the hips. And we're just warming up the spine, starting to welcome that nice stretch through your back, into your hips, into the shoulders. Nice, let's take one more here. And the next time that we're forwards in our high cobra, we're going to stop and hold. If we're feeling a little bit strong, we're going to press the hands into the floor, roll the shoulders back, and lift the knees, lift the thighs, upward facing dog. Keep pressing the tops of the feet into the floor. Keep the knees active. Take one more breath. And then drop the knees back to the floor. And let's meet in our tabletop. Wrists under shoulders, knees under the hips. Let's take a few cat-cows here. So as we inhale, we look forward, we drop the belly, point the tailbone up. Exhale, chin to chest, round the back. Every inhale, roll forwards. Every exhale, send under. Just moving and flowing in time with your own breath. Bringing as much movement into the spine as you can. And then eventually we'll meet back in our tabletop on all fours, nice neutral spine. And go ahead and engage the core here by pulling the tummy button back towards the spine. And then we're going to lift the right leg off the floor. Point the toe away and keep the leg in line with your hip if you can. Keep the core engaged as we lift the left fingertips forwards. We're going to hold it here. Remember to keep breathing. Find that core strength. Find your balance. Nice, maybe we add a little crunch here. So as we exhale, draw the elbow towards the knee, round the upper back. As we inhale, reach away. Exhale to crunch. Inhale to reach. Exhale to crunch. Inhale to reach. Take 3 more here. And then drop the hand, drop the knee back to the floor. Spread the fingers wide, tuck the toes under, and just lift the knees, let them hover about 1 inch or 2 off your mat. Take 2 deep breaths here, keep that core active. And then lift the hips, send them back, downward facing dog. Go ahead and pedal out those feet, stretching into the hamstrings, into the glutes. Maybe coming back into stillness here. Give the head a little shake or a little nod. Just release any tension out of your neck area. And then come back to stillness. Slowly lower the knees all the way back to the floor. Meet me back in your tabletop. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. So the core is active. We're going to stretch the left leg away. Try to keep it in line with the hip if you can. Point the toes. And then right fingertips come forwards. Hold it here. Keep the core active. And try to find steadiness. Finding stillness. Finding strength. Keep breathing. Maybe we add our crunch. So as we exhale, draw that elbow towards the knee. Inhale, reach forwards. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, reach. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, reach. Let's take 3 more. And after your third one, drop the knee, drop the hand back to the floor. Go ahead and tuck the toes under and lift and hover those knees once again, just for a couple more breaths here. See if we can maybe bring the knees a little bit closer towards the floor. Keep minimal space between the mat and your knees. And then drop the knees, sit your bum back, and sweep the legs forwards. Nice. From here, we're going to find our boat pose. So we can start by taking the hands in underneath the knees. We're going to sit up tall through the spine, roll the shoulders back, and maybe we just start off by coming onto our tippy toes here. And if this is enough, feel free to stay here. If we want to start to go a little bit further, maybe we lift the legs up. Maybe the toes are just a little way off the floor, or maybe the lower legs are parallel with your mat. Keep breathing. Maybe reach the fingertips forwards. Ask yourself, are the shoulders rolled back? Is the crown of the head reaching up, spine long? Take one more deep breath here. And then cross the legs, sit up nice and tall, bring the hands onto your knees. Nice, we'll finish here with a little twist. So inhale, reach the hands up. As we exhale, take the left hand to the right knee, the right hand out behind your hip, and open into a twist. Maybe take that back hand and reach it all the way over. Let's release, come all the way back through center. As we inhale, take the hands up. As we exhale, twist the other way. So right hand to left knee, twisting the chest towards the left hand side of the room. Maybe we pick up the back hand and find a nice big reach towards one side. And then come all the way back up, release back through center, take the hands up one more time, palms come together at the top, and exhale your hands to your heart. And thank you so much for practicing with me this morning. I hope you're feeling good after that quick little workout. You can let me know in the comments, but if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you would like to see more from me, please subscribe and have a fantastic rest of your day. Namaste.